All right, so this is very intermittent. Been trying to capture it, but it's gonna start hopefully and run really, really bad. It's like it's on one cylinder. Giving it throttle right now, nothing happens. Sometimes it'll just catch and pop off. Not right now. Oh, I feel so bad running it like this.